Good day, welcome to Dyana's Kitchen. I want to make some papaya juice and I want to share it with you. Very simple, very easy and refreshing. All right, let's start, guys. All right, guys, so right now I'm just gonna peel my papaya. Okay. I'm gonna peel it. Now you want to cut out these seeds. Just, use a knife and just scrape it out a bit. Just want to scrape the seed out of it. Ripe, you can see that it's really ripe. Like that. And it's nice and juicy. Yep, nice and juicy. It's ripe, nice and juicy. You know what? Wash your papaya before you start to peel it. Okay, make sure it's clean. Okay. Now we're gonna do some blending. Alright, so we're gonna use our lemon juice. So you're gonna use the lemon juice, the papaya, and some sugar. Alright? If you want to use sugar, you can use sugar. If you don't want to use sugar, it's up to you. Alright, so very simple and easy. Your papaya juice and your lemon juice. I'm sorry, your papaya and the lemon juice and your sugar. Alright? Very simple. Nice and cool. You don't want to put too much, and you don't want to put, too little of lemon juice. So just use your judgment. All right. Blend. So I have a jug here with some ice. Then I'm gonna pour my sugar. This is my sugar. I'm just gonna pour my sugar over my ice. If you want to pour it in the blender, it's up to you. All right. I want to give it a nice strain. Give it a nice strain. Guys, give it a nice little strain. And guys, you don't have to strain it either. But for me, I like to strain it. But you don't have to strain it. Because it's nice and thick like this. But I like to strain it. So guys, I'm going to just blend the rest. If I can, use one go and blend everything, that's good. Yep, so I'm finished. Alright, so I'm going to move this out of the way so I can have some space to work with. So guys, look at this. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. it's so nice and thick, and I strained it. So nice and thick. Guys, you have to try this. Woo. Look at this. Let me do this taste. Guys, so good. Guys, it is so good. So good. So good. Ooh. Guys, a little bit more of this. Yes. My goodness. Look at this. Guys, I'm gonna try it out and show you. But before I do that, guys, I want to show you my shirt. I want to show you my shirt to see if you like my shirt, guys, because I'm creating a website and I'm gonna sell all spiritual stuff on my website, guys. All right. And I want to show you, every time I make my video, I'm going to come out with, whether some shirt or cups or so on. All right. And I'm asking you to support me. All right. I'm going to show you my shirt and see if you like it. All right. Here it is. Look at the shirt and see what it said. For me, I'm seeing it upside down. I don't know for you. But the shirt said, "My God, my King, my Lord, my Savior, my healer, my refuge, my provider, my strength, my defender, my protector, my peace, my joy, my life, my all, my everything." My God, my God, my God. Guys, this is beautiful. It is beautiful. Look at this. And then it said, "Jesus is." That's the start of the shirt. Jesus is. All right. And then Jesus is. And then it said, "My God, my King." Go straight down that, what I just read. All right. So I think this is a wonderful shirt. I absolutely love it, guys. I absolutely love it. I love everything that the shirt is saying. It's just amazing. It's just amazing because God is our healer, our provider, our strength, our protector, our joy, our happiness, our King, I absolutely love the shirt. So guys, I'm coming up with a website and I'm going to sell all spiritual stuff, guys. All right. So, watch out for my website. I will definitely let you know, when the website is launched, which date launch, when it's going to launch, I'm going to let you know, guys. But, most of the time I'm going to come up with some t-shirt or cups and so on and show you. So once, if you like it, let me know. I'm going to come up with all different sizes of t-shirt. All right. All right, guys. So once the site is launched, I'm going to let you know. All right. Okay, guys. Get back to you. That looks so good. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, so I have 2 cups here. Ooh, look at this, guys. I'm gonna enjoy this. Guys, I love fruit juice. Oh yes, this let me want to dance. I want to dance. Guys, I just want to dance. I'm loving this, guys. Guys, actually, if you never try papaya juice, try this. You're gonna absolutely love it. And it's the good thing about it, very simple, very easy, nothing to it. Very simple and easy, Just cut your papaya any way you want, make sure you peel it, make sure you wash it before you peel it. Blend it with some lemon juice, your choice of sugar or not, and it's good. Your choice of straining it or not. So the juice tastes so yummy, so refreshing. But anyway, guys, if you watch the video and you like, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave me a comment, share if you like. All right, keep on smiling and come back for more. God bless you.